Hello, workout number 3 today. You need 2 cans or light dumbbells and a yoga mat. We're gonna go through everything one time. If you feel great, please go through it at least another second time or third time. This is your workout, this is your day. Please do whatever is best for you. Now you know I love my push-ups. This time though, typically our arms come out like this. You're gonna keep your elbows in. It's tricep push-ups to get away the bat wings. Those sneaky elbows are gonna wanna come out, so I need you to keep them super close. I want your hands to be right under your shoulders. So it's gonna be a narrow, hands are right, so they're narrow instead of wide, narrow. Okay, remember we talked about head, neck, and spine, straight line, right? So see how my elbows are staying nice and in, close to my body? I want the same thing. We're gonna go just halfway down though because they're so hard. Okay, you're looking about a foot ahead of you. Here we go. Down, up, down, up. Keep those elbows in. They want to come out. Do not let them. Be the boss of your triceps. Okay, we have 5 more. Stay with me. Yes, you can. 4, 3, 2, last one. How did you do? Was it okay? They're so much harder than regular ones. Okay, squats. Now, if the squats are very easy, I don't have to be like this, you can always add a dumbbell or those cans or a couple books or nothing. If you need the chair behind you, please grab the kitchen chair. Feet are a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Chest up, shoulders back, hands wherever you want them. Down for 2, up for 2. Ready, here we go. Down for 2. Chest always, always faces me, okay? Never faces the ground. All the weight is back in your heels. Toes are up in your shoes. If this is harder without a chair, grab a chair. It's always nice to have something to tap down on. Halfway there. Beautiful work. Please don't purse those lips. You're still breathing. Excellent. 3 more. Stay slow with me. Don't rush through these, please. 1 more right here. Okay, come on up. Next thing we're gonna do, I call Frankenstein abs. I don't know why. I just do. Arms up. And we're gonna go straight leg. Come on up. Keep this leg a little bit bent. We're gonna do 5 on each side. That's it. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, excellent. 2, last one. Shake it out. Other side. Bend that standing leg. Here we go. Last 2 right here. Here's 2. 1. That's it. Okay, grab your dumbbells or your cans. It is fine to start with cans. You can graduate to 5 to 8 pound dumbbells, but this is a fine place to start. We're gonna do a shoulder press. Think about a goalpost. So you don't want your hands down here. We're starting here. Straight up overhead for 2 right here. Up, up. Again, do a little tap. Up, press, and think about squeezing your shoulders up at the top. You do always want that mind-muscle connection. Up, breathe. There we go, there we go. Up. Good work, good work. Up. 3 more to go, that's it. Then we'll get on the ground. Here's 3. 2 more here. 2. Last one. Up. Oh my gosh, great work. Put those down. Grab that mat. Okay. We're gonna be on your hands and knees. Let's see, am I? Yes, I am. Okay. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Extend your left leg and your right hand. Okay? Come in and touch and extend. We're only doing 5 on each side. Here comes my dog to photobomb. 3, 3, hello, hello, 2, 1 more. This is making balance kind of hard. Okay, I can't believe he hasn't photobombed sooner. Again, this is a bird dog from yoga. Extend that right leg, extend that left hand. Come and touch, extend, touch, extend, 3 more, 2, last one right here. Great work. Last thing is an elbow plank. We've done this before in a previous video. You can do full body if you don't have bad wrists. Elbow is totally fine. The options, as a reminder, both knees down, one knee up, or both knees up. Find your option and join me. And breathe. Lift those hips up just a little bit. Tighten that core, tighten your quads, squeeze your glute. Come on, 4 more, 4, 3, 2, and 1, that's it. Hey, that was a great job. How do you feel? If you have more, go through it 1 more time or 2 more times. This is a great place to start to build your strength and start to feel amazing in your own skin. Thank you so much for your time today, and I'll see you next time.